Software applications have become ubiquitous and increasingly pervasive in our modern world. Many of us could hardly survive without them, from Google Maps to Netflix, mobile banking apps, Facebook and Twitter, to mention but a few. Have you ever pondered over the processes involved in bringing these favorite apps and software to life? It's indeed a fascinating journey through the software development lifecycle, or SDLC for short. Today at Tech and Coding with Ola, we dive into this captivating world where ideas transform into digital realities. The software development lifecycle is a systematic process, a roadmap, if you will, that guides the birth, the initial completion, and the growth of software. It is a structured process used by software development teams to plan, design, build, test, deploy, and maintain software applications. It's like a virtual assembly line, where each stage, with its own set of activities and deliverables, plays a critical role in shaping the final product. There are several models of the SDLC that organizations use based on the nature of the software being built and the structure of their development teams. For now, we will focus on the common phases of the software development lifecycle, and in our next video, we will explore the RGL model. Please subscribe to this channel to learn more. First off is the requirement analysis phase. This is a critical phase of the software development process. Before the development of any software begins, the project team must understand, agree, and document the features and functionalities of what the final product will be. The process of determining these required features and functionalities is what we call requirements gathering and analysis, which does the following. 1. Clarifies the overall vision and the functional and non-functional requirements of the system. 2. Clarifies stakeholder expectations for the system. 3. Prevents conflict and communication gaps during development and testing. 4. Ensures that the final product conforms to requirements to prevent scope creep. The deliverable for this phase is what we call the BRD document, business requirement document. Next is the planning phase. This is where the magic begins. It's like a brainstorming session where the team further discusses the needs of the software, its purpose, and its potential users, and then creates a roadmap for the project, outlining tasks, timelines, resources, and milestones. They also assess potential challenges and risks and set clear, measurable objectives. It's like laying the foundation for a skyscraper. A solid plan ensures a stable and successful build. The deliverables in the phase include project schedules, budgets, risk management strategies, and communication plans to ensure successful project execution. Then we move into the design phase. This is where the software starts to take shape. It is equally a critical stage of the journey as it determines the foundation on which the software is built. You can have a fantastic idea and have excellent analysis and planning sessions, but if the technical design of the system is faulty, the final product will be greatly deficient and won't meet stakeholders' expectations. This phase involves transforming the software requirements gathered during the requirements analysis phase into a structured design document. It involves the creation of a detailed blueprint for the architecture and components of the software. The team defines how the software will operate, what it will look like, and how users will interact with it. They create models and prototypes, like an architect drafting blueprints for a building. The deliverables for this phase include architectural design, which defines the high-level structure, system interfaces, and technical framework of the software. User interface design, which focuses on visual layout, screen designs, and user experience. Data designs, interface designs, performance designs, and security designs. And then the development phase. This is where the coding happens. The team breathes life into the design, turning concepts into tangible software. The engineering team ensures both functional and non-functional requirements are implemented and brought to life. The front-end developers ensure the UI/UX designs are programmed and transformed into an app that users can use. It's like building the walls and rooms of a house, each line of code adding another brick to the structure. Once the coding is complete, we enter the testing phase. These are the quality assurance team. The team checks the software for bugs and errors, ensuring that everything works as detailed in the business requirement document. It's like a home inspector going through a house, checking for leaks and cracks. If they find any issues, they go back to the development phase and fix them. These tests can have several methods and types. We have unit testing, often done by the development team, the system integration test, regression test, sanity test, etc. We will create another video to discuss all these tests in detail. After testing, it's time for the deployment phase. The software is now ready to meet its users. It's introduced to the market, either all at once or in stages. It's like opening the doors of a new building for people to come in and explore. The deployment can be manual or automated. We will discuss automated testing in our DevOps series, watch out for it. But the journey doesn't end there. The final phase is maintenance. The team keeps an eye on the software, making updates and improvements as needed. It's like a janitorial crew, constantly cleaning and fixing things to keep the building in top shape. In a nutshell, the software development lifecycle is a meticulous process of analysis, planning, designing, developing, testing, deploying, and maintaining software. Each phase is integral to the creation of robust, efficient, and user-friendly software. It's a beautiful dance of creativity and logic, resulting in the digital tools that we use every day. So the next time you open your favorite app or software, remember the stages it has been through. From the first spark of an idea to the ready-made product in your hands, it's been through a remarkable life cycle. A life cycle that ensures quality, functionality, and user satisfaction. That's the software development life cycle for you, the indispensable journey of the digital world. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our social media platforms, like this video and share. See you in our next video.